Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm drawing Sasuke Uchiha, one of the most iconic characters from Naruto. Sasuke is known for his silence, his strength, and the pain hidden behind his calm expression. So while I draw, just relax and enjoy the process. I'm starting with a light sketch of the head shape. At this stage, I'm not worried about details. I'm only focusing on correct proportions. A good drawing always starts with a strong base. Sasuke's face is sharp and serious, so I'm keeping the jawline clean and defined. Next, I'm sketching the nose and mouth with very simple lines. Anime faces don't need too many details. Clean and minimal features often look more powerful. Now I'm drawing the neck and upper body. Sasuke's posture is calm and confident, so I'm keeping it straight and relaxed. I'm adding simple folds to the clothing to make it look natural and realistic. Now I'm working on Sasuke's hair. His hair may look messy, but it follows a clear structure. I'm drawing it in sharp, spiky sections and layering the strands to add volume. As the hair starts coming together, the character becomes more recognizable. I'm checking proportions again and refining the sketch. Drawing is all about patience. Every line matters, and every mistake is a chance to improve. I'm moving on to the eyes, the most important part of this drawing. Sasuke's eyes represent his power and determination. I'm carefully shaping them to give that sharp anime look. Even small changes in eye shape can completely change the character's expression, so I'm taking my time here. Now I'm adding guidelines for the eyes, nose, and mouth. These lines help keep everything balanced. Sasuke usually has a cold and focused look, so I'm keeping the expression neutral. No smile, no emotion, just calm intensity. At this stage, I'm darkening the important lines and cleaning the sketch. This step brings the whole drawing together. Clean line work makes the artwork look professional. Now I'm adding light shading to give depth to the face and hair. I'm keeping the shadows soft to maintain a clean anime style. Even light shading can add a lot of life to a drawing. And now the drawing is complete. This is my Sasuke Uchiha artwork. I hope you enjoyed watching this drawing process. If you like anime art videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which character you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.